Peace, family. Peace, 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 peace. All right. So, first off, my name is Nina Bryan. I do these content videos. Okay. These amazing videos. Okay. So, if you are feeling the content, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. And I always have this opening, whereas though I say this. Okay. This is like my go to. I hope you guys are having a phenomenal day, which I really means. Okay. Make sure you guys have a phenomenal day. And if not, understand that your day is going to get better once you change your perception. Okay, everything is about perception. This video. Okay, we are going to talk about, I am going to talk about happiness and being single. Okay. And I think sometimes we gotta change our words, right? Because I think if we keep on saying single, right, it's like that's what you're gonna keep on being, right? I'm just guessing, I'm just thinking, right? I think that's what you're gonna keep on being because that's where your energy is going. So I like to say I'm in a relationship, but time just haven't caught up yet. Okay, since we all know that time is an illusion, and if time was so real, okay, we would not have so many clocks to remind us what time it is. Hello, okay, I'm coming with it. You see that? I'm coming quick. Okay. All right, so happiness and being single. And for this video, I'm just gonna say single, okay? So happiness and being single. All right, so first of all, I think a lot of times we say what type of person we want. Okay, we say, I want somebody that's gonna be honest. I want somebody, and I think I did a video on this, but let's just recap, okay? I want somebody that's gonna be honest. I want somebody that's gonna love me, that's gonna be amazing, that's going to be, X, Y, and Z, right? And a lot of times we want the outside world to change before we change our inside. So we want everything, we want the person that's gonna be honest, but meanwhile, honey, you're still lying. Okay, you lie all the time. Every time you turn around, you're lying. You say you want somebody that's gonna be loyal, but honey, you're not even loyal to yourself. Okay, so in order for you to manifest what you say you want, you have to become it. And I remember I used to be like, "Oh, I gotta become it, right? I gotta become what they telling me. They say I gotta, if I want somebody that's happy, honey, I gotta be happy. I gotta learn to make myself happy." And it's so true. Okay. One of the things, or a few things that I realized is this. I need to know what makes me happy. Because if I don't know what makes me happy, how the hell could somebody else make me happy? Okay, that's one. And then two, if I'm putting all my energy into this person on making me happy, honey, what about when they leave? Okay, am I gonna go back to being sad? Honey, I think I am. Okay, so everything is about how you see it. And you have to, we hear this so much, honey, fake it till you make it. Honey, honey, let me tell you something. Let me tell you what happened to me. Okay, I always got a story for you guys, okay? So, a while ago, a few years back, all right, I was dating this Beati sweetie, okay? And I remember, and at that time, I didn't even realize I was putting this out in the universe. But, okay, because I wasn't aware of manifesting or anything like that. And so I remember I had said, I want a guy to be X, Y, and Z, right? And so when I did meet the guy, okay, and he was like X, Y, and Z, since I didn't do the work on myself, and since I wasn't, and I don't want to say on the same frequency, but sort of, right? I guess I was self-sabotaging that relationship, okay? Because my whole thinking process, this thinking, the monkey brain, okay, the monkey mind, I was thinking that it was only a matter of time before he was going to leave. Because at that time I had 2 children and he had no children, and he was, fine at wine, okay? If I may say so myself, honey, he looked good, okay? And so I remember I was self-sabotage that relationship. And how would I do it? Was I would pick fights. And at the time, I didn't even know I was doing it. I was so unaware until I started doing the work. I was like, oh, shit. Okay. You didn't think you was good enough. Okay. And I didn't think I was good enough. So if someone comes into your life and you haven't done no work and you put out to the universe, right? I want to meet this person. I want this person to be X. I want this person to be A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay. And the person comes into your life and you didn't do no work on yourself, honey, you are going to self-sabotage that relationship because you're not going to think that you're good enough for it. Okay? Because you're going to just keep reflecting back. Subconsciously, you're going to do this. You're going to just keep on thinking back like, oh, I remember the times, I was in that relationship and this dude, he used to put his hands on me. I remember the time this person did this. I remember the times I was, my parents wasn't there for me. I remember. You going to start, and it's subconsciously. And that's why I always say this, all right? You got to change the tape. I remember I had heard the one and only Bruce Lipton. And one of the things he said was you got to change the tape that's going on in your subconscious. Because if you don't change the tape, you are going to keep on playing the same exact music. Oh, you a victim. You're not good at. You're going to keep on playing it. We don't want to keep playing it. We don't want to keep on manifesting that. Okay? So, happy, okay, and being single. All right? What I noticed, okay, now that I'm not looking, okay, I'm not like, where they at, I'm not like that, okay, I'm not doing all of that, and I'm not like, oh, I need, okay, you ever hear people who say, I need a guy that's gonna be X, Y, and Z, and meanwhile, honey, you're not even X, Y, and T, okay, I know X, Y, and Z, but X, Y, and T, you're none of that, okay, but you saying you need somebody that's gonna be like that, and if they was like that, honey, they will fly right past you. So I don't say low vibrational words like I need, I want. I'm saying it now, but I don't say those things. Like, I just enjoy my life. I enjoy my life. Okay. Now, do I have some benefits with somebody? Okay, every now and then. All right. But for the most part, I enjoy my life. I like traveling, okay. I like manifesting tons of money, okay. I like cooking when I like cooking, okay. I don't like cooking when I feel like, oh, I have to cook, right? Like anything that creates resistance, I don't care for. I like an even flow, like an even scale. And so those are some of the things that I like. I like reading. I like watching documentaries that's going to expand my consciousness. So those are some of the things that I like to do. Okay, I like eating different restaurants, going to different places. Honey be shaking sometimes. Shakety shake, okay? Sometimes like a leaf, but that's okay, okay? Because if you keep on doing the same thing, you're going to keep on attracting the same exact type of people, okay? So in order for us to get different, we have to do different. So in this video, all right, is all about you enjoying. If you enjoying your life without being in a relationship, honey, when you get into that relationship, it's going to be at another level. It's going to be at another level. Because why? Because one, you're doing the work on yourself. And not saying that once you get in a relationship, the work stops. I'm not saying it. But you're doing the work on yourself, right? You're getting to know thyself. So when you're getting to know thyself, you know certain things that you're going to tolerate and certain things you're not going to tolerate. Why? Because you're no longer desperate. Okay? Why? Because you're not just going to accept any and everything. And if you know how to make yourself happy, then chances are, okay, and if you're doing the things for yourself, chances are, all right, you're not expecting so much from someone else. Chances are that you're like, oh, honey, I do this, okay? I do this. And not saying that you don't, you wouldn't like to have a man or whatever, but you would like to have one, but you're not desperate in getting one. Okay. You like this. You like this. Okay. I enjoy my life. I love my life. I love where I'm at in my life. Okay. And I don't need a guy. Okay. But I would like to have a guy. Right? You see the wordplay. You see the wordplay. That was different. Because anytime you put out in the universe, oh, I need a guy, or I want a guy, right? If you say that you want a chick, you need a chick, right? Chances are the universe is gonna echo that back. Okay, it's gonna say, oh, you need a guy, or you want a guy, right? It's gonna just echo the same exact thing back to you. And I don't know if we want the same exact thing to keep on happening, right? So pay attention to your life. Do the things that you like doing. And if you don't know what you like doing, you need to spend time with yourself. You need to spend time with meditating. Okay. You need to start writing, journaling. Write down the things that, oh, what would you like to do? Okay. And sometimes I remember I would be like, oh, I would like to travel. And then I would say to myself, well, Dina, what's stopping you? Okay. Because you may, although you probably feel like you can't travel all the way there yet, okay? But what's stopping you? Don't speak down on yourself. And do not tell yourself what you can't do, okay? So enjoy your life now, okay? Because when your knight in shining armor come, okay, he gonna be like, damn, right? Because you're not expecting so much. And when we expect so much from humans, okay, because we are humans ourselves, so having a human experience, we expect so much from them, then we get let down each and every time. Why? Because basically you're saying, I don't want to do these things for me, but could you do them? All right? And if you don't want to do them for you, what makes you think that somebody else probably want to do them for you? If you, the person that wants the things to be done, you don't even want to do them, but you want them to do them for you. Honey, stop it. Stop. Okay, so with that being said, I love you guys. I love you. Make sure you guys are rocking out, believing in yourself, okay? And make sure you're getting this good old guy up in you, okay? And with that being said, I'll catch you guys next video.